Hello. Welcome to our shop. How can I help you?
Hi, I want to buy a frock for my daughter.
Sure, how old is your daughter?
She is 6 years old.
Okay, please look here. These frocks are for 6-year-old girls.
This red one is nice. Do you have it in pink?
Yes, here is the same frock in pink.
It's beautiful. What is the price?
It's 750 rupees.
Can I check the size?
Yes, you can. Here is size 6.
This looks good. I will take it.
Would you like to see more designs?
No, thank you. Just this one.
All right. Please come to the counter.
Here is the money.
Thank you. Here is your frock and the bill.
Thank you very much. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Have a nice day.
Hi, I want to buy a shirt.
Hello, madam. What type of shirt?
Casual shirt, for daily use.
Okay. Half sleeves or full sleeves?
Half sleeves. It's summer now.
What size do you wear?
Medium size.
Here are some medium-sized shirts. Please look.
Do you have this in other colors?
Yes, in blue, black, white, and green.
I like blue.
It looks good on you. Price is 799 Indian rupees.
Any discount?
Yes, 10% off today.
Nice. I will take it. Do you want another shirt? No, only this.
Okay. Bill or carry bag?
Yes, both. You can pay by cash, card, or UPI. I'll pay by UPI.
Done. Thank you, please come again.
Sure. Thank you. If you enjoyed this conversation, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English speaking practice. Practice daily, speak confidently.